Shutter man on the move again, installing some glass block vents on one of my projects. These are the old vents for the window. These are the replacement vents. And this is one of them I already took out. So you just getting a look at how the rough end look. Then I'm gonna give you the finishing end of it. I have 3 of them to do. Here's one for the bathroom. I have to take this board off and put a vent in here as well. So you have to cut them out because it's a heavy aluminum. You cut them out and then you clean the brick. Then you put your vent in. It's a process. Another day on the farm. You know how we do it. That's what we do. That's what we do. Don't ask for shutters, ask for OSM. 855-665-9676. OriginalShutterman.com, man. Y'all better call y'all handyman.